Welcome to vidIQ. If you're watching this, you've already proven you're willing to go the extra mile to succeed on YouTube. Maybe you started with a dream, a vision, and perhaps you even thought this might be easy. But here's the thing, YouTube is a journey, and for many creators, it's not without its struggles. It can be very frustrating seeing others do this hundreds of times, but why don't your videos get the same amount of views? Well, by taking this step, you're already ahead of thousands of creators because you've just landed an all-in-one toolbox. We'll provide you with analytical insights, expert advice, an empowering community, support to help you execute on strategy, and optimization tools to fine-tune every video that you make for maximum impact. Whatever your YouTube goals, vidIQ can get you there. Once vidIQ is installed on your browser, to get set up, head to any YouTube watch page and you should see this window. Here you can sign in through Google, your existing vidIQ account, or you can create a whole new vidIQ account altogether. In order to unlock the full potential of all vidIQ's tools, you'll need to accept the following permissions on your YouTube channel. Once you allow them though, vidIQ can link to your YouTube channel and you'll unlock our full toolset. As creators ourselves, we know how important your channel is. vidIQ won't sell your data or delete your content. So with all of these steps out of the way, you now have access to our tools. Make sure to check out our YouTube channel where we have over 1,000 videos full of free YouTube advice. We're here to help you take the guesswork out of growth and to start achieving your goals. With all that said, let's get creating. Welcome to vidIQ.